did it, Khadija. I did it, not Khadija.
Hello, artist. How are you, everybody?
Hello.
Nice, nice. So, doodles. We are doodle masters, huh? Now, just like the right and the curie, the right.
Stop your screen.
Yeah, I think you know, ma'am will love your doodling. Aparna ma'am will say, let's doodle now. You teach her how to do. Oh, ma'am is here already. Hello, ma'am. How are you?
Hello, good afternoon.
Good afternoon. Ma'am, they will teach you how to doodle now.
Yes, I would love to learn from them.
You don't know. You meet
Hi.
them in person, then you'll know. All these angels, ma'am, they don't look like angels. They develop horns afterwards.
Devils in disguise.
Yes. Do you agree, Musfira and Umar? You all are not as cute as we think you all are.
No.
No, Musfira Sayyad, what do you think? Musfira Rizwani, Hashir? You're not like that.
You are not like this. Okay, you are an angel.
No.
Okay, you are a devil.
They understand. Look at them. They all are laughing at our jokes, so they know. Okay, so this is more relaxed now. Friday, I don't have breakout rooms, ma'am. Okay, Khadija, can you unshare yourself, please? Can you, Mustafa, Khadija? Yeah, they all know what we are talking. See, they stop. Yeah, thank you so much for letting us know. Can I quickly, all of you?
Stop share.
Yeah. Okay, good. So who is missing? Okay, few of you are just getting ready. I think it's okay. Musfira, Sayyad, come back. Hashir, come back. Okay, when they are back, ma'am, you can get started with them, and we can start planning. In fact, you wanted to.
For a minute.
Yeah, we can wait for a minute. And you wanted to talk about colors to them or the right? They're too young for colors.
Yeah, actually, the Mandalas I wanted to talk to.
We will. Correct. We'll have some time for Mandela for sure. They just have some good theories. We'll just wait for a minute for them to join in.
Yes, sure.
Okay.
So how are you, children? Excited about the class today? So you know what we are making today?
Yes, butterfly paper, no? 4 of them.
Butterfly bookmark. Wow, you know already.
What you have to bring? What items?
I had asked you to get one rectangular paper like this. And
I'm just one
crayons.
One or 4.
No, not one. Get 2 or 3. So in case if we make some mistakes or if you want to make another one, we can use those.
Ma'am, I brought 4 of them. These all right, ma'am? Ma'am, I cannot hear you
Yes,
clearly.
Umaima, I wanted you to cut them in rectangles.
Oh, rectangles, not squares?
Yeah.
Ma'am, what
No,
we
not
do
squares.
today?
Today we are making a bookmark. We are going to make a butterfly bookmark.
Okay, so what we will need?
We will need rectangular pieces of paper. I have given the measurements around 5.5 inches to 8 inches.
But ma'am, you told 5. It is square only, 5.
No, 5.5 by 8 inches. So, okay, I'll show you what to do. So, let's just start. Whoever has got square pieces, we'll make them into rectangles, okay? So, I'll just get back. Give me a minute and I'll be back.
Musfira, have you got that rectangular pieces?
Yes.
Yes.
I bring
Look, everybody, I'm sharing something on the screen.
rectangle shape.
Okay, so don't worry. My name is Dawood Waid, not Juwairiya Waid. I'll rename myself also so that you don't get confused, isn't it? And before ma'am comes in here, what we're going to do. So an art, you know, when we do art, girls and boys, we make a lot of different things for an art. And ma'am has already come. Ma'am, just I had some lovely things for them. Since you mentioned about colors, I thought I'll just ask them a little quiz on colors. Okay, so
Yeah.
what color? Can you see these three colors?
Red, yellow, blue.
Wow. Hashir, can you say the colors for us? Hashir, what colors do you see?
Yellow, blue.
Oh, lovely.
Red, yellow, blue.
Right, and these are called the primary colors. You know that? This is what we want to talk about today. These are the primary colors. These are the main colors you've got. Now let's see what you do when you mix these colors, okay? So when you make red and yellow, you get?
Orange.
All right, you get orange. Okay. And when you mix yellow and blue?
Green.
Oh, I should do a quiz with you. I think you know. And blue and red?
Purple. Purple.
Okay, you got your screen now? Okay, so I'm going to ask you this quiz. You got this, all of you? Red, yellow, yellow, blue, blue, red. You got it? Red, yellow, yellow, blue.
No.
You got your rectangular pieces? Let's go to your rectangular pieces. We're not sharing anymore.
Okay.
Okay, quickly, I'm going to ask you all
I
again.
don't have rectangle pieces, so what can I do?
So I will help you. I will guide you. Can we start now?
Ma'am, go ahead, ma'am.
Ma'am, I have rectangular papers.
Okay, great. So now you all have to see what I'm doing.
Well, I'll pin you. I'll post you in. Where is Apuna?
See, this is
Apuna, ma'am, one minute, Apuna, ma'am.
Yeah, sure.
Yeah,
sir.
okay, there you are. No, now you're pinned up as
I can't see you.
now you can say, can you see all of you?
No.
Can you see my page?
No.
The square page.
I can't see you.
Okay. You all have to double click Aparna ma'am's screen.
Yeah, just everybody go there and say something called speakers view. Can you click on speakers view, please?
Now I can see.
Very nice, very nice. All of you are learning so well. Go ahead, everybody.
Okay, so you all can see my page now. Yes.
Yes.
Okay. So now to cut a rectangular piece, what I'm going to do is I'm going to fold this piece in such a way that I get equal portion. This portion and this portion has to be equal. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, and then you just give one crease here, fold it properly.
We want
See
to
that
do
it's-
rectangle. And what about these small square pages? What do we have to do it from
Same
this?
thing. You have to do the same thing. So what I told you
Ma'am,
was,
I did it fold.
so if
How
you
do
have
we have to
rectangular
fold
pieces,
it?
don't worry.
How do we have
See.
to fold it?
Now listen, okay? All of you just look at my screen so you will understand. Just look what I'm doing. This is my square piece, okay? So I have folded this one side of the paper in such a way that I get two equal portions. This portion and this portion both are equal. Can you see?
Yes.
Okay. So now we are going to cut off this. We are going to cut this off. So if you have a scissor, you can cut it with a scissor, or if you just fold it and give it a strong crease, we can just tear it off also. Can you see? I'm tearing my page without using a scissor or a blade. Okay, you have to fold it. Did you all understand what I did? Excellent. Very good, Ummana.
Ma'am, I am doing.
Okay.
Ma'am, see.
Yes.
Yes.
Okay, so this piece is very big. So you are supposed to first cut that rectangular big piece into a square, and then you have to do this.
To cut it? Ma'am, do
No,
I
this
have
is
to
good.
cut?
No, Maya, this is good.
I cut
Okay,
it.
so
Butterfly.
who all are ready with their pieces? Rectangular pieces. Ali? Ali? Yeah, now just one piece which you have folded, you have to cut it off. Yeah, that's good. Manha Rajput, that's good.
This one.
That's
This
what I
one.
want. Now, whoever, yeah, any one side you can just cut it off, okay? Yes, Ali, any one side.
Ashil, we can see you, Ashil. It's proper. Go ahead, Ashil.
Hashim, your piece is, yeah, okay, that's good. Okay. So now everybody is ready with the rectangular pieces? Yes. Ali, could you manage to cut it off?
Mustafa and Khatija, please turn on your screen.
Umar, can I see your rectangular piece? No, not this, not this. See, it has to be like this. See, there was a measurement 5.5 by 8 inches. So this is 5.5 inches and this is 8 inches. But that's okay. But you need, it has to look like this. Yes, Umayma, that's okay.
Like this. Ma'am, like this. Then what do I have to do?
Wait, I will show you. Let everybody. Zainab, can I see your rectangular piece?
Ma'am, you have to cut like this from now.
No, you don't have to cut anymore. No.
Okay, Aparna ma'am will guide us. We'll just
No, ma'am,
look at
we have
Aparna
to
ma'am's
cut this.
screen.
I can cut this.
Ma'am, I think so there's a confusion, like, you know, they thought that they have to cut it in
Yes.
a bookmark shape.
No, actually, I had given the measurement in the
Yes.
yesterday when I sent the note. That
Yes.
it has to be 5.5 by 8 inches so that everybody can be precise. There is no confusion about it.
Okay,
So,
because even
now
we
it's
have
going to
cut
be a
into
little
5
difficult.
Yeah,
Yeah.
it gives a bookmark shape, right?
No, I'm going to make an origami butterfly with this. That is why I wanted this specific measurement,
Okay.
so that it is easy for them to fold.
Ma'am, I'm confused.
Okay, so you know what we will do? Now everybody, now just see what I'm doing. Later on you all can make one, okay? I will help you again to make this butterfly. So whoever have these rectangular pieces, can you see? And whoever have already cut rectangular but they are not exactly the way they were supposed to be, like if they're thin and all, just leave them as it is. We'll make a bookmark out of that also. Okay, so first let's get started with the butterfly.
I'm like this. Ma'am, your voice is breaking.
Is it clear now?
It's
Muspira, that's
breaking,
good.
but we can hear you, ma'am.
Okay. So now what I'm going to do is take this sheet of paper and I'm going to fold it into equal half.
Ma'am, do I have to do the same with this paper?
Yes, Umayma.
Yes, ma'am.
So fold it into equal half. This is a very easy butterfly to make. I will help you again. Whoever has not got the exact measurement, I'll do it again for you. So can you see this? I have folded it exactly into equal half. Okay? And press on this crease.
You want to like this equal part?
Who is speaking?
Ali, ma'am, Ali.
Ma'am, like I
Yes,
folded.
Ali. Yes.
Ma'am, I folded it.
I folded. Hashim?
Yes,
Ma'am, do we have to open again?
Okay, now what I'm going to do is, I'm going to flip this, okay? So my open side is here. Can you see? Right? So my open side comes here towards my side. Now I'm going to fold this again into equal halves.
Do I have to do it mine also, ma'am?
Yes. So
Like this?
everybody is going to do the same steps. Okay. So now I have folded it back again. This was what I had folded first. I folded into two. Now I'm folding it like this again. Okay. Great. Everybody's got it?
Yes.
Great. Shall I go ahead?
Yes.
Please say your name so I come to your screen. Yes, Mana, you're doing right. Ali, you have to give it one more fold.
Ma'am, I am done. What do you have to do? Ma'am, like this.
Yes, Mustafa. Yes, yes.
Like this. Ma'am.
If you will take your names, I can come to your screen.
Like this.
Yes, Manha. Yes. Now I'm going to go ahead.
Yes, Ali, yes.
So now what I will do is take this one side and open it. Can you see that? Now I will put my finger right at the point. Can you see? Right at this point I have put my finger and I'm going to press it slightly. Slowly I'm going to make a fold here and a fold here.
Ma'am, can you show it? I'm confused.
Ma'am,
how we want to Ma'am, can you
I
show
fold
it
it.
again?
Yes, Mustafa, Aparna ma'am is doing it again.
Do we have to do it very nicely like this, or it's okay if it is a bit slanting?
No, it has to be proper. If it is proper, then your butterfly will come out exactly.
Triangle part.
Okay, see, now I have folded this paper. I creased it. Then I fold this paper back.
How we want to open?
Okay, so now see. Now stop and see for a minute, then you start doing, okay? So I folded this paper, and I folded like this. Then I just opened this part, put my finger in here, and I fold it.
And this is okay.
Yes.
Mama Patel, is this okay?
Yes, Umayma, yes, slightly. See, can you see? These two, please, it should be equal.
It is equal only.
Okay, very good. So now we go to the
Ma'am,
other side.
And like this, how?
Yes.
Like this.
Okay, Musfira. Khatija, are you able to do it, Khatija? No? Yes, Manha. Aparna ma'am, can you guide Khatija?
Ma'am, we want to open.
No, you don't have to open. Manha is confused. Khatija is confused. Okay. Aparna ma'am will show it again. Just look carefully, okay? Khatija and Manha. Musfira Sayyed, are you able to do it?
Okay. So we folded this paper.
Khatija, look carefully at Aparna ma'am's screen. Khatija and Manha. Okay, see.
See, once this paper is folded. Okay, so now when I'm explaining, no talking in between, just look at me, okay?
Mute
Then I will
everyone.
come to
Everyone mute yourself.
So you fold the page half, exactly half. Then you fold it again. And then one side of the page you open. Put your finger in, press it, and slowly you will get a heart kind of a shape. Can you see this heart?
How to make it.
Okay, Khatija, make it into half. Whatever paper you have, make it into half.
Okay.
Show me your paper, Khatija.
Is this okay,
Yes.
ma'am?
Just make it into half. Just make half fold. Not like this.
Not like that. You have to make a yes, Umayma. Yes, yes. Yours is perfect. So now hold on. I'll show you the next step.
Not
You have to
vertically,
fold it like
horizontally.
this.
Khatija, horizontally.
Okay. So now we fold it like this.
Khatija, if Rushda is around, can you call her, Khatija? She'll help you.
Okay.
Okay, Musfira.
Okay.
I've done. My sister is helping me.
Khatija,
Very
can
good.
you call Rushda?
Here.
Ali?
Now the next.
Ali, did you do it, Ali?
Yes.
Okay, good.
Doing this, what I do?
Yes,
Are you able
Musfira.
to do it?
Okay. अब तुम करो सीखो.
Manha, we can't hear you, Manha.
मैं सिर्फ बता रही थी. ये हो गया. अब इसको फोल्ड करो. अभी इसको नहीं ऐसे नहीं इधर रखना.
Now we make
अभी
other side also similarly we fold it.
हो गया.
See, when you see,
What do I have, student?
now the next side also we fold it in the same way. You put your finger in.
The next side.
And you have to see that this line is straight along with this line. Then you will get a
I
perfect
did
heart.
it, ma'am. Ma'am, I did it.
Very good. The other side also you have to do.
I also did it.
No, Umayma, you have to do both the sides. You did one
But how?
side. Same way. How we did the first one. Same way.
I
we do.
understand the second one.
Musfira, you have to do the other side also. The same way which you did the first side, you have to do it on the other side as well.
Very good. You have done a very good job.
Yes, Umar, the other side.
That is right. Khadija is right.
Yes, Khatija. Good, good, Khatija. Ali, show me yours.
कैसा अगर खोलेंगे तो कैसे?
Zaina, very good. Yes, that's good.
ऐसा था तो बच्चे को बोलो समझ में नहीं आ.
It will happen, Umayma. The way you did it the first side, same way.
But how? Ma'am,
Musfira, yes, the other side also you have to make it.
Ma'am, how do I do the other side?
I confused it.
Okay, wait, everyone. First, mute yourself. Aparna ma'am is going to show it again. Okay, first mute everyone, please. Everyone,
Okay, so I'm going to start once more. Okay, so now just see what I'm doing. So if your sister or one of your parents are there, let them help you, okay, in case this is difficult for you. So I have folded this piece. Okay, now whenever next time the measurement which is given, then everybody will have the same thing to do. So there will not be any confusion. Okay?
Ma'am, we have
So
to take
now this
another
measurement. No, you just continue with this. Continue with this. I'm just showing it to you so that on the same page you can continue. Okay? So now I have folded this page exactly into half. Okay? Just see what I'm doing. Just, no, no. The page which you are done, just continue. I am just showing it to you again. So you are not confused. Okay? So I have taken another page. You please continue on the same page. So this is my fold. This is my first fold.
Musfira, you have to do the same thing on the other side as well. No, you did not do it, Musfira. Try it again from the other side. Do the same thing. Put your finger inside.
Okay, Musfira, now you please keep your paper down. I will show you. Paper, keep it down. You have done one side. Okay? So one side. Now just observe me, okay? I put my finger in here and I have slowly pressed this triangle. Exactly this line and this line are same. Okay? So, and then I have put a crease on this and a crease on this. So you got a heart. Now Musfira, what you have to do is flip this. Okay? Turn it around. And you have this side. This flap is there. Okay. So this flap, you have to again do the same thing.
It is not happening.
It will happen, Umayma. It's the same thing you did, and you have to do it on the other side.
See, I did this side, but it is not happening this side.
Umayma, keep your hut side, whatever you have done, on the table.
It is on the table only.
Yes. Now, what the flap which you are getting, no, just poke your finger inside that flap.
This flap?
I can't see, Umayma. Just keep it like
Yes, exactly.
And
then again, same way you have to make the triangles. Okay?
It is being the same.
Now show it to Aparna ma'am, Umayma.
It is not happening only. It is being the same. Nice I put it in the finger. Now
Okay,
what should
now-
I do?
See, Umayma, see this triangle you have? You already have
Yes, Manha. Yes, exactly, Manha.
this side.
Right. Very, very well.
This side. Umayma, can you see me?
Yes.
This side. Okay. Again, take this side and open it. Once you open it, put your finger in here. Okay.
It is not happening.
Why will it not happen? See, this flap is there, na? When you open this
Can you
flap,
show from starting?
I won't show from starting because we will get very late. So you just see this flap you have. You see this
1
other flap.
minute. Yes, I have.
Yes. So
Umayma
that
will
you
just
open.
observe.
One flap is done.
See, this heart, this fold that you've done, fold it and keep it aside. And this flap, open and again make it into a heart. Okay? And then both the flaps should open.
Like this.
Yes,
Exactly,
Umayma.
exactly.
Good, good, Umayma.
Perfect. Now you open the flap in such a way and fold it so that you get this flap in here. Okay? So we got this. Now you fold it and
Yes,
get this.
Musfira.
Musfira,
Exactly.
perfect. Perfect. Umayma, perfect. Very good. Khatija. Yes, Manna Rajput, you've done it.
Nice, perfect.
Yes, Musfira. Hashir, yours is perfect. Yes, Mustafa. Yes, Umar.
Yes.
Where is yours?
Now what do we have
Okay.
to do, ma'am?
See now, this flap. Can you see this
Good,
flap?
Umar.
Yes.
Okay, now everybody just quietly just see what I'm doing. Okay.
Just mute yourself.
This
Everyone
flap,
mute.
I'm going to put it on this in a slant way. Can you see this? This
Ma'am,
one flap I've taken. Not
Ma'am, like
not
this?
not square. It has to go slightly slant like this.
It is slightly slant only.
Yes, Musfira. Yes, correct.
Umayma
Okay, and the
Patel.
other side also. Yes,
Umayma
Umayma.
Patel.
Umayma slightly more slant. So instead of putting it here on the crease, take it a little above on the heart, and then make a fold there.
Like this?
Yes, Mana. Yes, perfect. So now the same way we do it on the other side, but you see to it that both are same. Okay? So we get this. And now,
Same on the other side also?
yes, same on the other side. Umayma, did you get it? Can I see your butterfly?
Actually, it's not working for me because my piece is different than yours. So then
Doesn't matter. Doesn't matter. Doesn't matter. What you had done earlier was perfect.
like this, ma'am.
Yes, yes, Umayma. Yes.
Okay.
Both should be equal, okay? Now, this crease, you just fold it. And when you open it, can you see this?
Can you show it again from here? Ma'am, can you show
See.
the flap part again?
Here,
Yes.
see here. This flap, I folded it like this.
The corners of the flap. Ma'am, can you show the corners of the flap? Like this?
See. Can you see?
It's looking like
See, this is how it was. Now, this one part I have taken and I have slightly taken it above this line. Taken it slightly above this line and folded it. The same way, I have folded the other side and they both look equal. Yes, Manhar, can you show it to me again? Yes. Yes. Perfect. Okay. So now what we'll do is, one flap we take one flap, we open it up, okay? And we open the flap like this. Okay? And this,
how, ma'am? Ma'am, can you show
you
it
have folded
again?
it like this.
Can you put it more down a bit? Like
Can
your
you see?
butterfly. Yeah, more
Can
down.
you see?
Front, more front. Yes. Yeah,
Okay.
now.
So now you open this flap. Open this flap. Okay. And open this piece. And you can see the crease here. Okay, see.
Pin.
Now, okay, just see. Just see first, okay? I am taking one flap and I am opening it again. Then I open this, the heart side, and I put this flap inside. And I fold it back.
Okay, okay.
So what I've done is, I've opened this and I've put this flap inside and folded it back. So I'm getting this.
Like this, ma'am.
ये नहीं fold.
I'm like this.
No, no, Mama. Something has opened up. See, when you open, we have this flap, right? Just open it
It's not.
and put this inside.
Huh. Ma'am, like this. Ma'am, like this. Okay. अभी इसको open करना है.
Yes.
नहीं खराब नहीं कर रही।
Did you get it?
Yes, ma'am. How do we do now? It opened again the whole thing.
ये clap
Yes. Yes,
It
Khadija.
opened the whole thing.
So, yeah. So, no problem. We'll do it again. So now this thing, we put it back in.
फट जाएगा पेपर।
This flap we open and we put this in here and fold it again.
What have you put it?
Open this.
And we put it inside and we fold it back.
Ma'am, how to put inside बोलो?
Ma'am, how to put it inside? Ma'am, do it again.
See, when you have made this crease, right? So just press it a little more. So when you open this flap and you open this, see this thing also opens, right? Our heart. So you get this crease here. You just have to put it in the middle
Ma'am,
and fold it again.
ma'am, I cannot understand.
दूसरी क्लास है दीदी।
My paper is again whole
Okay.
open.
Okay.
Ma'am,
Shazia ma'am. Shazia ma'am. Shazia ma'am.
तुम्हारा थोड़ी देर में तुम्हारे ऑडियोग्रामी टीचर आएगी।
Shazia ma'am.
Yes, Aparna ma'am, I can hear you.
Yeah. Okay. So I think this is a little difficult for the kids.
Yes, I can see that.
I didn't realize that we would need a helping hand from the parents.
Yes,
So,
yes.
So what do I do? Shall I record this and send it?
Yes, you complete the entire thing. They will see the recording.
Yeah.
Let them just observe.
Ma'am, do it
Okay.
again.
So, okay, now see all of you, see what I'm doing is, once I put this in and I fold it, then I'm getting a flap here, which I'm going to fold it in such a way that I am getting a butterfly shape. Okay. Same way. See. So here, after folding this part inside, I have one flap which I'm folding it. Not exactly, a little before the center. And I'm getting a butterfly. I'm getting butterfly wings. So this also, same way, I'm folding slightly before the center. But both have to be equal. Okay? So again, now can you see my butterfly is ready? Can you see that?
Ma'am,
ये भी खुल गया अभी मेरे से। कुछ हार्ड है ये मेरी तो नहीं हो रही है।
Okay. So now how to use this as a bookmark? I will show you. Just a minute. Now just listen to me. Okay?
Just
Now this is
observe,
my book.
Aparna ma'am.
This is my book and I want to mark this page. Okay? So if you see on the back of this butterfly, there is one triangular opening. So I'm going to fix this opening into my book, into my page. And when I close the book,
ma'am, show
So-
it again.
yeah, I will show you again. So can you see my butterfly is ready and this is how it's supposed to be used. So this is a bookmark. Now, butterfly, does this butterfly look complete to everybody? Does this look like a butterfly?
Yes.
It does.
But it
Don't
is
you
not
think that there is something missing? Yes. Absolutely. So, perfect. So antennas are missing and we have to color it. Okay. So what are we going to do is, before making the antennas, we're going to color this. Okay, I'll show you how to use it as a bookmark again. This is the page that I want to mark. So I will just put it, the triangular opening which is there behind. I will just fix my page to it. And this is my bookmark.
Okay.
I will show you again. I will show it to you again. I'm going to send, now listen everybody. I'm going to send you a video to everybody how this is done. Okay, so don't worry. Your mommy or daddy will help you with it.
Okay, Manha, Mustafa, everyone, just listen to Aparna ma'am. We will send you the recording. You can see the recording and take the help of your sibling or your parents and do it again. Okay, Manha, you have to see the recording. Yes, Musfira.
Now can everybody
Ma'am, can you show it again?
I will show you again. So now this butterfly, everyone is going to color in their own way. Okay? Because no butterfly looks similar. Have you seen butterflies in the garden or somewhere near some plants? They all are so different, right? Yeah, some are blue in color, some are orange, some are yellow. Have you observed butterflies? Yes. So now what I'll do is, I will show you once again if you want. But I'm going to send you a video also so that you can take your mummy's help and make the butterfly.
Manha, this is a different butterfly. Yes, but it is very colorful.
That is lovely. That's lovely. So I want you all to color your butterflies, okay? Not just make them, but color them up also.
I'm not make only the butterfly.
Oh,
No problem. I'm going to send you a video. You can make it later at home. So you want to see it once again?
okay, everybody, everyone.
I already made it. I'm going to cut it with the scissors.
No, you don't have to cut it. It's going to be like this. It's going to be like this. All we can do is color it up. You want to see how to color it?
I look at it. Draw it and cut it around.
No,
Musfira,
see,
yes.
then it will not be of any use because it will not be like a bookmark, right? Don't cut it.
I want a bookmark.
Okay, so if you want a butterfly, you can make another one. This is a bookmark that we are making. Today's workshop is about a bookmark. Okay?
Yeah, Musfira, that the other butterfly you showed me, that you can cut. But this one you have to see the recording again and take a help of your parent or your sibling or Munib, okay? And do it. Do that. That's a assignment, Musfira.
And show it again.
And Aparna ma'am
Okay,
is going to
show it once
show us again.
Okay, so I will show you again. So now, next time when you take a paper, you take a proper rectangular sheet. If you have a square sheet, I showed you how to cut it. So you fold it and, like, suppose this is my square sheet, okay? So I folded it in such a way that I get two equal portions and then I cut this part off. So this part goes away, okay? Now this we are going to fold into half, exact half. You have to see that it is exact half, okay? And we'll make a crease here. So once the crease is done, we turn it around and the opening is towards our side. Then you fold another. Exact fold it should be. Okay? And then crease it so that the crease should be pressed properly. Okay? So whenever we are opening it and folding it again, it's easier for us. Now we open this one flap. Okay? And then I put my finger towards the pointed corner and I press that part slightly. And then what I do, I will get it down slowly and see to it that this line which is formed and this line are in a straight line. Okay. And then I place it with my finger. I place my finger here and then I put a crease on this side and I get one triangle. I put a crease here and I get my heart shape. So once I get my heart shape, I will turn this around and take the other flap. Same way, I'm going to put my finger to the corner and press it. Okay. And you should see again that this line and this line are in a straight line. Then there's no mistake happening. And then you put a crease over here. And one crease here. And what do you get? You get a heart shape. But you have to see that this portion is opening. Okay, these flaps are opening. Now, this flap, one flap I've taken, and you can see this line, right? So I'm going to take it a little above this line, slightly above this line, and fold it. Hold it here and put a crease here. Okay, and see to it that you press this portion so that when you're folding it inside, it is easier. Same way, I take this flap and it should be same, okay? So see that place it here and put a crease here and then press it properly. So once you press this, you get one flap, open it up again, okay? When you open it up again.
You're not going to drink water?
Okay. So once you open this, can you see this flap? And now you have this crease here, right? When we pressed it here, this is the crease that we got. So this crease is going to go in exactly. Can you see that, what I did? This crease went inside. Instead of out, it went in. And then I folded it.
Mama, Panama like this.
Who's speaking?
Oh, Mama.
Yes, ma'am, 1 second. Huh? Yes, perfect. You got it. So the other side also, same way, this crease will go in. And then you fold it. So once you fold both the sides, then now you have two flaps, right? So one flap I'm taking, and this is my center. Can you see my center? I'm not going to put it right up to the center here, but I'm going to put it away from the center.
Second wing is not happening.
It will happen, Umayma. It will happen. Once again, if you try now, it will definitely happen. You did it up till here, you're going to do the whole thing. Then, the same way, the other side also, you're going to fold it. And you should see that this and this are equidistant, okay? They have to be equally on the same, on this side, if it is up till here, you cannot keep this here and fold it, okay? It will not look like a nice, neat butterfly. So, you see that it's equal and then you fold it.
Ma'am, like this?
I can't see. Yes, Mustafa Qazi, yes, good one.
It's Ali.
Ma'am, I have
okay.
also done it.
1 second.
Ma'am,
Yes, Hashir has done it. Then who is speaking right now?
Mustafa Qazi.
Yes, Mustafa, you've done a good job. Hashir has done it. Musfira, I think you also got it. Don't cut it. Don't cut this. This is a bookmark. Let's leave it as a bookmark. You
Ali,
can make a
show
lot of
yours.
butterflies also.
Show your butterfly, Ali, to Aparna ma'am.
It is my bhai.
Oh, your brother made it? Okay, good. You can take help of your brother, Ali. That's good.
Ma'am,
It
he
is
was telling me to go.
No, Ali, just take help of Umar.
Now my butterfly is ready. So I told you that this portion, this rectangular portion below, that you have to fix it on the book, on your page like this, and your bookmark is ready. Okay. Now what we are going to do is we are going to color this bookmark. So everybody is going to use their imagination and color their bookmarks. Okay. So I'm just showing you what I want my butterfly to look like. Okay. So just see. I'm using a pink color and just making a line like this. Then I'm using some other shade and making a line like this. Let it go all over. Can you see?
Yes, I want to know that. 3, 2.
So I want my butterfly very colorful. So I'm going to use all the colors that are available here. So I have used, these are called the warm colors, okay? These are colors of the sun, right? So when you see the sky in the evening and sun is setting,
sun.
yeah, but when you see the colors of the sky during the evening when the sun is setting, you sometimes you see pink color, right? So it's coming out from the rays of the sun. So we'll just slightly rub our finger over the colors to smudge it properly, okay? So can you see? My one wing is done. Now my other wing, I want to use cool colors, colors of the sea, colors of the tree, colors of the leaves. So they are all cool colors. The colors which we used here were warm colors. Now I'm going to use cool colors.
Blue, green.
Can you see? Blue, I'm using green. I can use different shades of blue. Different shades of green. Okay. And I'm going to again smudge it. So my butterfly is colorful. Can you see? Now same way you can make the other wings. So what you have used here, this wing also has to be the same and this have to be same. But you can use your imagination and do whatever you like. Okay. Now in between this, I open the flap and I just paint it pink. Pink or whatever color you want. I want the body to be pink. So I'm going to make it pink. You can make it of color of your choice. Okay. So the center body is pink. Okay. Now one more thing which I want to show you is we are going to make the antenna. So once you make the antenna, you just make, can you see this? And like this. So you have to make 2 of this. So what I'll do is, I will fold this page. And I will cut it. If you want, you can first color this and then cut it. So then it is easier. Because after cutting, it becomes a little difficult to color the antenna. Okay, I'm showing it to you quickly, but I want you, all of you, to make this and show it to me. Okay.
You have to see the recording and make it again and send it in Google
And for
Classroom.
the antennas, we have to fold the paper into whole half.
Yeah, see, you have to make 2. So it's okay. However you make it, you have to make 2 of these. And then what I'm going to do is, can you see my antenna? I'm going to apply some gum here and I will put it here.
She left once. I got the
Sorry, who is speaking? Can you please take your name?
Ma'am, like this.
Yeah, that's a nice one.
Aparna
Okay, so
ma'am,
we just,
brother. He's also attending class.
Okay.
very nice,
Musfira,
good.
just mute yourself. then.
Okay.
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 Thank you, Musfira.
Okay. So now what I'm doing is I'm applying glue, little bit of glue to the end of this antenna, and I'm going to place it here. Okay. And let it dry for some time. So before you cut the antenna, color it up. Okay. So now my butterfly bookmark is ready.
Lovely, ma'am. Lovely. It's looking really pretty.
Ma'am,
So yes.
see.
So once we color it, no, it will look prettier. And
Ma'am,
then we will,
Okay.
sorry,
It's Zainab speaking, ma'am.
Zainab, yeah, just a moment. Yes, Zainab, wow.
The antenna.
Oh, I loved it.
Ma'am, how to put the antenna?
So once we cut the end, did you see, or you see it again in the recording? And see, this is the shape of the antenna that I have cut. So I just drew this shape.
Put the antenna.
And yeah, so what you can do is, below this triangle, this portion behind, you just place it here and stick it up. But see to it that this triangle doesn't get stuck here, okay?
Ma'am, these small antennas are okay.
Yes, it's okay. However you want, just make it very colorful and nice. So I would like to see all your butterflies next week. You all can post it on the Google Classroom.
Ma'am, actually my sister also made one and I also made one.
Okay, so even if your parents are or your sister and brother are helping you, I want you all to color the butterfly the way you want it, okay? Will you all do that for me?
Yes.
Let's show thumbs up to Aparna, ma'am, please.
So I'm really excited to see all your colorful butterflies.
Aparna, Masi, how is your health?
Oh, so sweet of you. Thank you. I'm much better now. Thank you.
Aparna, ma'am, can we close the recording? Sorry,
Yes,
can we close the
absolutely.
meeting?
Get well
Yeah.
soon.
Okay.
Okay, everyone. Bye,
Shazia-
everyone.
Shazia-
Yes.
Shazia, ma'am, sorry.
Yeah,
This recording will be
Bye.
enough to show it to them, or should I make one more as well?
No, this will be enough. We'll post it in the YouTube. So they can see the
Okay.
recording.
Okay, thank you so much.
Thank you.
Okay, see you all. I'm excited to see all your colorful butterflies.
Yes, Ali, we can see it's
Very
lovely.
nice, Ali. Ali, it's good. Very nice. Zainab has done a great job. She has colored the butterfly also.
I'm Ali's brother.
Okay.
Okay.
Bye, everyone. You can see the recording and post your artwork in Google Classroom. Thank you, everyone.
Bye. Bye. Thank